5 reasons why your Google Ads budget is running out too quick. And the fifth one is the one that we see most commonly when we take over Google Ads account within our agency. The first one is lack of geo-targeting. So your ads are appearing in too much of a wide geographical audience. So you need to narrow that down a bit. Number 2, broad keyword targeting. So your keywords aren't really defined enough. So you should have more of buying intent keywords rather than research intent keywords. Number 3, lack of negative keywords. Keep an eye on negative keywords to prevent your ads from appearing from irrelevant search queries. Number 4 is you're not using ad scheduling, so your ads only appear at certain times of the day. And the fifth one is you've also got your display network switched on inside your search campaign, so those should ideally be separated. If you want to learn more, follow my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Ajay Dhunna. Thanks for watching.